Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by linking the account and service you want to use. Open the Google Home app on your phone and make sure the Mini and phone share the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for discovery. Once done, tap the device, go to Settings, then Music, choose and link your music provider. Doing this lets the Mini access your playlists and subscriptions. Make sure to set a default service to avoid saying provider names every time. Now you'll actually play music. With voice, say, "Hey Google, play song or playlist on service," which tells the Mini which app and content to use. Alternatively, open your music app, tap the cast icon, and select your Google Home Mini, casting streams directly from your phone. Once playing, control volume by saying, "Hey Google, set volume to 50%, or use touch controls on the device. This dual approach gives quick hands-free control or precise app control when you need it. Finish by organizing playback and preparing for hiccups. Create speaker groups in the Google Home app if you want synchronized music across rooms. This uses multicast and keeps timing aligned. If audio doesn't play, restart the Mini and router, then confirm Wi-Fi and the linked music account. Small network issues often cause failures. If the service still misbehaves, unlink and relink it in settings, then test with a simple command like, "Hey Google."
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.